From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel with your Tuesday afternoon forecast. We're kicking off the second half of Halloween with a temperature of 39 degrees at the Hub Robeson Center. It is a little bit chilly out there. We did start in the lower 30s, but we are starting to increase our temperatures. These next couple of days, though, they're going to be pretty bone chilling, as they say. A frosty week ahead with some lows maybe dipping into the 20s for some of us. And with that, we might see some snowflakes coming our way due to a system coming later tonight. And if you do like the dry and warm weather, you'll like to see this weekend's forecast. That's coming up in just a moment. Though temperatures, we're sitting mainly in the 30s, 39 degrees in State College. Heading west, we are seeing mostly upper 30s, 39 in Du Bois, 38 in Franklin. Although going down into Philly, it is 50 degrees. Pretty warm for this time of year there. Although on the radar, not much to see either. A little bit of a sprinkle heading into New York in the northwest corner of the state. Some clouds as well, but otherwise not much unless you head west. And this little guy is the system that we're going to be watching. And it is circulating right now over Wisconsin, and you could tell that it is starting to shift east. And I'll go into the timing with this, but I do want to mention, as that system moves, the moisture will start to evacuate. So as we go into the trick-or-treating time, which should be around 6, 7, 8 p.m., we're going to start to see scattered showers in nature, maybe some snow showers mixed in. It's going to be a dreary, kind of just not a very nice forecast for you guys. And then at 11 o'clock, we might see a little bit of a band of snow coming our way, our first snowflakes of the year here in State College. And then as you head west, even more just messy action. Although any of this snow won't accumulate on the roads, I won't even bet on it accumulating on the grass. It's going to be more just like a really wet, just not great snow that'll just be messy and sloppy. But as we go into Wednesday, much of the same. Heading into Thursday, though, Thursday and Friday and into Saturday, it should look a little bit better on the radar. We're going to see maybe a little bit of a chance of rain into Saturday, but otherwise for that Penn State-Maryland game that's occurring on Saturday at 3:30, these guys right here look pretty good. So it should be a relatively easy game to forecast for Saturday and into Sunday as well. Maybe some clouds, but otherwise should be good. This is an interesting story for Wednesday. We are going to see a lot of winds due to this system that's going to move past us. 1:30 p.m. into the afternoon, and into the afternoon commute as well, we will see pretty high wind gusts for this time of year. 17 miles an hour in State College. But really, this just goes for the whole state, and you don't see that very often, and that'll burn out as we go into the rest of the afternoon into Wednesday night. Just something interesting to point out. But for today, though, 44 degrees in our area. Those clouds will dominate, though, and we should see not much to worry about in the wind department. And for our Halloween forecast, not as great as this guy looks, but it is going to be in the 40s. We might see some rain heading into the evening, 39 degrees at trick-or-treat time at 7 p.m. And then as we go into the rest of the evening, that's when it should start to get just a little bit sloppier. Although Wednesday, we should clear out a little bit, maybe a flurry possible in the morning, and we should stick at 43 degrees for our high, much cooler than average. Heading into the rest of the week, though, as I mentioned, 44 and 43, very cool highs. And then into Thursday and into the weekend as well, we should start to see those temperatures increase and much drier conditions coming our way. With that, I'm Gavin Sandel. Enjoy the rest of your day.